Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have a mini Sephora haul. Don't be fooled by the box. I actually only bought one thing, but I have some other goodies to share with you. So if you want to see what I bought, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I put it in order. There's something that has been taunting me. I really do not need any more makeup, I guess. I mean, of course we always need makeup, right? But there's just something I had to have. But let me show you the samples that they gave me first. And I got some free gifts. So let's see. So the first thing I got is this Believe Hungarian water essence. Now, you know how when you check out a Sephora, you get to pick your own, like, 2 samples. I didn't pick this. So they gave me some water essence. Although I do like Believe. I don't know about this water essence trend. Have you guys tried water essence? Does it really do anything? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Also, this Sephora Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipes. I did pick this. So, yeah, so I wanted to try these. I love makeup removing items, so I did pick that. So those were the 2 that they gave me for free. And then I was able to enter a code. If you spend over like $25, you get like a deluxe size gift. So I got the Urban Decay Brow Endowed, which is really cool. I just got the Billion Dollar Brows by, well, Billion Dollar, I guess. And I tried it and I really like the pencil. But I thought this was interesting. So this is about how big it is. And so it looks like it's double-ended. So one side it has a spoolie. So, and I think I got the color taupe, of course. And so that's the color. And then this side, oh, it's like lighter. Let's see if you could see that. I don't really know how this works. Oh, so one side it has a primer. So everybody's going to have the same color. It's for all 7 shades. So it's a primer. And then the other side is taupe. So you prime your brows. And then second, you're going to color them with the color that you pick. And it's supposed to fill in the sparse areas, add intensity, and instantly define your arches. So they have 7 shades in all. And I picked the taupe. So I'm super excited to use that. Okay. The other thing is I used my points. So this was a 500 point perk. They seem to be going through their perks quite quickly, so there wasn't a whole lot to choose from. Now I do like Tarte, of course, because they are like vegan and cruelty free, and so they use good ingredients. So here's their foundation, and they give you 4 colors to choose from. And then also they gave you this drink of H2O I can't even say that. Hydration boost. So it's a nice size. What I really wanted to try was this Tarte Friction. And it's a stick. Is there a top on here? Yes, there's a top. Oops. Oh my gosh, I just dug my thumb in it. So it's a friction stick and it looks like that, and you're supposed to rub it all around your face and it's supposed to take off your makeup, which I really wanted to try this. So I think that's why I picked the Tarte one. And so let's see what else we got here. Rainforest of the Sea. It's a 4-in-1 setting mist. And then lastly is Tarte Mermaid Skin. So I don't know what this is for. What is the mermaid skin for? Okay, like if I can read this. Oh, it's a hyaluronic H2O serum. Yay. Love skincare. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. So you want to see what I bought, you guys? This is it. I'm so excited. I just had to have it. I know I'm on the late bus, but I couldn't take it anymore. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've been dying to try these pinks, and I've seen this on camera, but everyone says it doesn't do it justice, and I agree. My son bought this for his girlfriend for Christmas, and I was able to look at it and I was like, ugh, I need to have it. So I'm gonna swatch some for you because this is definitely going into use. I'm gonna swatch Teddy. So we'll swatch Teddy. So pretty. We're gonna swatch Spanked. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And then we're gonna swatch Love Bite. And I'm not even pressing hard at all. Probably should have. Let's see. My skin. Can you see that? Can you see that? Those colors are so pretty. Let's swatch one of the shimmers. And I'm not sure how. We'll swatch Fantasy. Let's see how these swatch, and I'll swatch it right. Oh my. That's awesome. I am super duper excited about using this Huda Beauty, the nude palette. So happy to have it. Thank you, Sephora. All right, guys, that is my Sephora haul. Give this a thumbs up if you like Sephora hauls and if you like videos like this. And if you don't, tell me in the comments below what kind of videos you like. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.